Hello everyone, I'm Carolyn Forster and I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about the basics of hexagon piecing or English paper piecing and what the basic things are that you'd need to know how to do to start yourself stitching. The characteristics of the English paper piecing are the fact that all the fabric shapes, you can see these hexagons here, have a piece of card or firm paper in them to keep their shape. So it means you can do some quite complicated designs, use some quite complicated shapes. You can see while I'm stitching here, we've got quite two different examples of hexagon patchwork on display here. The piece on the table, it's a very old English piece of patchwork. Obviously it's completely made out of hexagons. They're tiny, they're about 1/2 an inch, 3/4 of an inch across. So if you think about how many hours that must have taken.